What if one single video could earn you over $10,000+ in pure passive income? And I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. This one English video just smashed 3.6 million views, and almost every single one came straight from the USA. I'll prove it to you in a second. Now, even this channel only made $5 per thousand views, which is super conservative. That's already $18,000 from one video. And get this creator started just 3 months ago. First video, 10K views. Next, 7K, then 93K, 360K, 200K, and boom, 533K. The views just kept skyrocketing. But here's the crazy part. This isn't even his only channel. He straight up cloned the original Napoleon Hill channel and created Napoleon Hill's Wisdom. And that second channel is already crushing 5.5 million views on its top video. Daily views? 10K, 21K, 37K. Easy. Who is Napoleon Hill, and why are people going absolutely crazy over him? Napoleon Hill was a legendary American author and motivational speaker who exploded into worldwide fame with his timeless masterpiece, Think and Grow Rich. He spent decades studying the richest, most successful people on the planet and cracked the code on how they think, act, and win. His words light a fire inside you. They make you believe in yourself, crush your goals, and completely transform your life. That's exactly why these channels are blowing up. They simply take Napoleon Hill's original powerful quotes and teachings, add a deep, motivational voiceover, slap his photo on screen, and boom, pure viral magic. Watch this clip. You'll see how insanely simple these videos are.
A moment in every human life when the soul rises up and whispers, "This isn't enough." Not the job, not the excuses, not the waiting.
See that? The editing is so easy, a kid could do it. But the biggest headache for everyone else is finding a 30 to 40-minute power-packed script filled with Napoleon Hill's actual wisdom that keeps viewers hooked and inspired. That used to be almost impossible until your brother right here did all the hard work for you. I've created ready-to-explode prompts that lets you create these same million-view videos straight from your phone. Zero stress, maximum results. First things first, smash that subscribe button. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now and turn on the bell because I'm dropping pure fire 2 times a week to skyrocket your income. And if this video is already changing your life, slam that like button. Let's get this to 10,000 likes together. In my video description, you'll find 2 unstoppable prompts I built just for you. Idea generation prompt instantly pulls the hottest Napoleon Hill topics straight from his book. Script generation prompt writes you a jaw-dropping 10,000-word motivational masterpiece up to 2-hour videos that sounds exactly like the million-view channels. Step 1. Generate unlimited viral video ideas in seconds. Copy the idea generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, Grow, Gemini, anywhere. Hit enter, and boom! 15 fire video titles straight from Think and Grow Rich appear instantly. Pick any title and you're ready to dominate. Step 2. Create a 10,000+ word motivational masterpiece script. Go back to the description, copy the massive script generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, scroll down a little, you'll see a spot that says Insert Title Here. Paste your chosen title there and hit enter. Watch the magic. ChatGPT starts pumping out an absolutely electrifying script, 800 words at a time, 100% based on Napoleon Hill's real teachings. When it asks continue, just type continue and keep the fire flowing until you have 5,000 to 10,000 words of pure gold. Step 3. Turn your script into a deep, powerful voiceover. Copy your script, head to these free sites. I'll show you all of them. TTSOpenAI.com, Clipchamp, 11 Labs, best quality. Pick a deep, wise, older man's voice. It has to feel like Napoleon Hill himself is speaking. Hit generate, and in seconds, you have a professional voiceover ready to crush YouTube. Step 4. Grab Napoleon Hill images and make them epic. Go to Google Napoleon Hill, click Images, download a powerful photo of him in his later years. Then go to CapCut Image Upscaler or any upscaler, blow that image up to 4K crystal clear quality. Next, go to remove.bg and upload that image. Instantly erase the background, free and automatic. Finally, Google black background, download a clean black image for your video. Now, search on YouTube Soundwave green screen, grab any free reacting Soundwave video, tons available. Now, import your black background and stretch it to match your full voiceover length. Add the transparent Napoleon Hill photo, position and slightly rotate for that perfect classic look. Add the green screen sound wave, shrink it and place it bottom right or wherever it looks like fire. Go to chroma key and remove the green in one click. Perfect reacting wave. Add your voiceover track, duplicate the sound wave clip over and over until it covers the entire video. Add that vintage film noise effect. Search for noise and effects. Instantly feels like an old, powerful recording. Click on Auto Captions and hit Generate Subtitles. Pick a bold, free template. The big yellow or white ones look insane. Add a final text layer with your channel name so nobody can steal your masterpiece. Now, hit Export, 1080p or 4K, download to your phone, and now you are ready to upload it to YouTube with a clickbait title and thumbnail. Boom! You just created an exact clone of a 3.6 million view video in under an hour. The only hard part was writing these killer scripts, and I already did that for you. Now all you have to do is invest a little time every day, follow these steps, and inshallah, you'll be the next faceless millionaire on YouTube. Success demands consistency. Start today and never stop. If this video fires you up, destroy that like button, share it with every hustler you know, and subscribe with all notifications so we keep winning together every week. This is your boy, and you're watching the channel that turns dreams into dollars. Let's go get that bag.
A moment in every human life when the soul rises up and whispers, "This isn't enough." Not the job, not the excuses, not the waiting, the wishing, the hoping. And it's in that moment you're faced with a choice. Keep dreaming or start demanding. You weren't put here to float through life like driftwood on someone else's river. You were forged with the same fire that lit the stars. You were born with the same raw potential that once breathed into the lungs of Lincoln, shook the industry with Ford, and lit the world through Edison's bare-knuckle belief. But somewhere along the way, you started negotiating with life.